How to connect Brevo with WordPress 2024. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can connect your very own Brevo account to your WordPress in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you want to use Brevo for yourself, please do make sure to check the link down in the description below where you can find a link that will lead you straight to Brevo and give you a free account to work on. Now, to connect your Brevo to your WordPress, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your WordPress and you're going to go over to plugins. Now, once you go to plugins, simply type in Brevo right over here. And once we search in Brevo, we're going to see Brevo for WooCommerce. So you can either use this for your WooCommerce store. Then there's newsletter SMTP email marketing from Brevo that you can use as well. And then contact form to Brevo. So it depends on you on whatever you want to go with. Okay. So accordingly, just choose the appropriate plugin. Mostly people use this one, the newsletter and email marketing one. So once you've clicked on it, simply go ahead, make sure your WordPress is on the business plan, and upgrade and activate all the plugins for yourself. Now, once you've done that, it's going to ask you to add in your Brevo account. And again, if you want to create a Brevo account for yourself, make sure to check the link in the description below to create one for yourself right now. Now, once you've added your details of Brevo account into WordPress, you should be good to go. And that is how you're going to connect your WordPress to Brevo. Now, if you want to go ahead and directly connect it from Brevo, you can choose the plugins and integration section in the menu. In some cases, depending on your region, it might let you connect WordPress like it lets me connect it over here. So we click on WordPress. What it does from here is it's going to bring you here and it's going to say download the WordPress plugin. So what it does is it's going to bring you here. You're going to click download, and again, it's going to take you to the directory of. Okay. So once this downloads, what you're simply going to do is you're going to come over here to your plugins. In your plugins, you're simply going to click on upload. Click, and obviously, if you're upgraded and continued, you can simply upload this file, and that is how you are going to connect Brevo with your WordPress. So again, if you want to use Brevo for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to create an account right now. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.